How I discovered Sosna was through my next door neighbors who had work done for them a summer ago. The work was so beautiful, so I decided we're going to hire them to have our kitchen redone. Right from the start, when Andre arrived, he listened to all of our concerns. He made notes of everything, and this was relayed to our designer, Olga. Olga showed us preliminary designs of the kitchen, and when we agreed to everything, then it was turned over to our contractor, Victor. We were given a timeline of 2 months. The whole project was completed in 6 weeks. The workers were always on time. Everything was always cleaned up at the end of the day. The work was incredible. And now we have this beautiful kitchen that we're going to love cooking in, baking in, whatever, and entertaining. I would like to thank Andre at Sosna and his whole team and everyone else that participated in making this kitchen so beautiful. We are going to enjoy this for years and years to come. Thank you, Sosna. Thank you, everyone.